Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to download and install AutoCAD from Autodesk. So let's get started. So this method only applies if you have a student mail ID. Okay, so first thing, just Google AutoCAD download. You'll be getting the official link from autodesk.com. Just click that and you'll be taken to the official Autodesk site. By default, it will be giving you a free trial because this is a paid software. So now let's sign in first. So just click on sign in at the top. And if you don't have an Autodesk account, first thing is you need to create an account. So click on create account and make sure that you are giving here all your details. Okay, and just click on create account. And if you already have an account, just click on sign in. So when creating an account, it will ask you some of your college details and stuff. So make sure that you're giving the right ones over there. So once you have created an account and signed in, go to products, and to the right you will be having this educational access. Click that and just click on get products. And here just scroll down, and here we will be having all the Autodesk projects. We are interested on AutoCAD. So just click on select and just click on access products. And here I am going to install only AutoCAD. If you want some other thing, you can choose the required one specifically for you. I'm just going to go with the plain AutoCAD and 25 language English and Windows 64. Just click on install and click on accept. The download will be getting started. It is about 50 MB in size, so just be patient. So just double click and open it. Click on yes. You'll be getting preparing for installation. So you'll be getting the AutoCAD setup like this. Just click on next. And this is going to be the default path where AutoCAD is going to get installed. If you want to change this, you can. So after changing the location, just click on install. So it will take some time to install. Just be patient till then. So once the installation is complete, just click on start, and it will ask you to sign in again with your Autodesk ID. Just click on this and it will open the same in your browser, and just click on go to product and click on open Autodesk Identity Manager. And that's it. We will be signed in our Autodesk AutoCAD in our system. Do check the playlist of my channel. I've done a lot of tutorials in programming as well as AutoCAD and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.